Here we have a Heil unit. There's another Heil near here, but that's currently running. Not the one I'm videoing is currently off. Oh wait, this one's also off too. It says refrigerator freeze condensers are running. And the model number is PAF048K000E-. Serial number is G03194073. I think this is a 2003 unit. It's currently off, and it's a heat pump. As far as yeah, it's a heat pump, and no, like I said, it's currently off. So yeah, an ICP unit a Heil, a 2003 Heil unit that's currently off. Over and out.